This is a follow-up video about sending my Phantom back to be repaired, because it's the second of two parts. The first part, obviously, you watched, and it's gone through two DJI Care replacements, one with a very small fee and one no fee at all, and it's gone through multiple phases of being fixed for me with a very low price, and on one or two occasions no cost whatsoever. They've just repaired it, fixed it, sent it back to me. What? I'm almost weeping that I'm praising this massive company who are making trillions of dollars of profits. But I mean, you got to give credit where credit's due. I'll just show you. I sent it to them. They got it. They received it yesterday. They fixed it. Sent me a bill. Unbelievable bill. I'll show you the bill. It's this is all the stuff that they're fixed. Oh, I'll just push it up a little bit and show you the what actually was wrong with it. The power button gone, obviously. I didn't know about the left and right landing gear cracked. Anyway, the motor's gone. I knew about that. And look at this here. All these things they're not going to do all this. They're going to send me a brand new drone or a very well refurbished one, so well refurbished that you wouldn't tell the difference. I've got for $336. I've got a Phantom version 2. As I said, amazing.